Big jobs need big machines. From roaring chainsaws to massive shredders, from powerful excavators to unstoppable wood processors, this is where raw power meets precision. Welcome to Giant Redwood. Let's fire up the engines.
Hey there, friends. Glad to see you back here at Giant Redwood. How's your day going so far? I hope it's been a good one. If you're new around here, welcome. You've just stumbled into the place where we showcase the toughest, loudest, and most fascinating machines on the planet. Before we dive in, I want to hear from you. What kind of machines do you enjoy watching the most? Do you love the raw power of chainsaws, the precision of sawmills, or maybe the sheer force of industrial shredders? Drop your answer in the comments below. I read every single one, and your feedback helps shape the next videos we bring to you. So grab a seat, turn up the volume, and let's get ready for another epic journey into the world of heavy machinery. The beam truck arrives, rumbling down the dirt road, its suspension groaning under the weight of steel. Villagers gather at the edges, curiosity pulling them closer as the operation begins. The crane arm unfolds with a slow, mechanical grace, swiveling toward the massive rock crusher like a hand delivering lifeblood to a beast. Each steel beam is lowered onto the staging area, ready to reinforce the crusher's frame and support the conveyor system. Dust hangs in the air, catching the afternoon sun, as workers in hard hats guide every movement with sharp hand signals. The villagers watch in silence, some shielding their eyes from the glare, others leaning in to catch every sound. The hiss of hydraulics, the clank of metal on metal, the low growl of diesel engines. It's a scene that blends raw industry with rural life. For the locals, this isn't just another machine. It's the promise of a new road, stronger homes, and an easier way to transport goods. For the crew, it's another day of precision and teamwork. Each task timed to keep the project moving. The beam truck's job is almost done. With the last load secured in place, the crane folds back. The driver exchanges a wave with the foreman, and the villagers slowly drift away. But the hum of the crusher grows louder again, ready to turn another mountain into the foundation of progress. Deep in the clearing, the machine roars to life. Its steel teeth designed to tackle the toughest challenge beneath the soil. Massive, tangled tree roots. Each root is a fortress, hardened by years of growth, gripping the earth with stubborn strength. But the Utilizaccia Corzani II makes quick work of them, grinding and tearing until even the thickest sections are reduced to splinters. The operator works with precision, maneuvering the arm to dig deep, pulling up entire root systems that once seemed immovable. The crushing drums spin relentlessly, chewing through dirt, stones, and wood alike, leaving behind only fine mulch. Dust swirls in the air, and the scent of fresh earth mixes with the steady rumble of the diesel engine. This process isn't just about clearing the land, it's about reclaiming it. Whether for construction, farming, or replanting, the ground is left clean, level, and ready for a new purpose. Every pass of the machine turns an obstacle into usable material, closing the loop in the cycle of forestry work. When the job's done, the roots are gone, the soil is free, and the land stands open, ready for whatever comes next. Built for the toughest jobs, the RGS Raptor XL is a shredder that doesn't back down. With twin shafts lined with hardened steel teeth, it tears through wood, metal, and bulky waste as if it were paper. Every rotation pulls the material deeper, grinding it into manageable pieces with brutal efficiency. The wide feed hopper swallows logs, pallets, and even construction debris, while the intelligent control system adjusts torque to keep performance high and blockages low. Dust and chips pour onto the conveyor, feeding an endless stream of shredded output, ready for recycling, fuel production, or further processing. Its diesel power plant delivers relentless torque, while the robust frame absorbs vibration and shock, ensuring the Raptor XL can work day after day in the harshest conditions. From demolition sites to biomass plants, this machine is a symbol of power, endurance, and uncompromising productivity. When you hear it running, you know something big is getting reduced to size. The Haas Tyron 2000 XL 2.0 isn't just a shredder, it's a powerhouse of controlled destruction. Its twin-shaft design rips through wood waste, green waste, and even heavy industrial materials with relentless force. Each shaft runs independently, allowing the machine to reverse automatically if resistance builds, preventing jams and keeping the workflow smooth. The massive hopper swallows oversized loads with ease, while the precision-engineered teeth tear, crush, and shear every piece into uniform output. With its high-torque, low-speed system, the Tyron 2000 XL 2.0 delivers maximum power with minimal wear, built to last in the harshest job sites. From recycling centers to forestry operations, this machine is trusted to keep productivity high and downtime low. When the Haas Tyron goes to work, nothing stands in its way. Deep in the forest, the operation begins. Specialized loaders move with precision, lifting massive logs from the ground and placing them onto the waiting transport vehicle. Every grapple is deliberate, timed and balanced to protect the wood and maximize load capacity. This isn't a standard truck, it's a purpose-built machine, designed to handle the weight and length of freshly felled timber. Its reinforced frame and heavy-duty suspension keep it stable on uneven forest tracks, while the operator navigates tight spaces with skill. Once fully loaded, the truck begins its journey, carrying the raw material from deep within the forest to the next stage of processing. It's the first step in turning nature's giants into the wood chips and materials that fuel industries and heat homes. The Volvo FH540, built for long hauls, heavy loads, and ultimate driver comfort. With a 540 horsepower engine, it delivers the torque you need to conquer steep climbs and endless highways. Its aerodynamic design cuts through the wind, saving fuel while maintaining stability. Inside, the cab is a workspace and a home on wheels, ergonomic controls, advanced safety systems, and space to rest after a long day. Whether hauling freight across borders or navigating challenging terrain, the FH540 stands for reliability, power, and innovation. This is more than a truck. It's Volvo's promise to keep you moving, mile after mile. The Class Lexion 770 and 780, two giants of the harvest, built for speed, capacity, and efficiency. In the world of modern farming, time is everything, and these combines are designed to make every second count. Under the hood, both models are powered by high-performance Mercedes-Benz engines, delivering the horsepower needed to handle the largest fields and the toughest conditions. With the APS hybrid threshing system, they separate grain with incredible efficiency, reducing losses and keeping the quality high. The massive grain tank holds up to 13,500 liters, allowing you to work longer between unloads, while the unloading auger moves grain at a rate of up to 130 liters per second, one of the fastest in the industry. That means less downtime and more acres covered in a day. The advanced TerraTrack system ensures minimal soil compaction while providing maximum traction, even on soft or uneven ground. In the cab, comfort meets technology. Spacious seating, intuitive controls, and the CBIS onboard computer put all key functions at your fingertips. Whether it's the Lexion 770 or the flagship 780, both are engineered to deliver unmatched performance during harvest. From dawn until the last light of day, these machines work tirelessly, turning ripe crops into clean, stored grain with precision and power. For the farmer who demands the best, the Class Lexion 770 and 780 are more than just combines. They're harvest partners, built to keep you ahead of the season and ahead of the game. The C16F from John Deere is a harvesting header built for speed, precision, and durability. Designed for large-scale crop operations, it spans a massive working width, allowing farmers to cover more ground with fewer passes. Every reel rotation is synchronized with the cutter bar, ensuring a clean, even cut across the entire swath, no matter the crop density. The flexible frame adapts to the terrain, hugging the contours of the field to minimize crop loss and maximize yield. Heavy-duty guards protect the cutting system from rocks and debris, while the draper belts smoothly carry the harvested crop toward the center for collection. With its robust build and premium materials, the C16F is engineered to withstand long harvest days and challenging field conditions. John Deere integrates advanced hydraulics and intelligent sensors into the C16F, allowing operators to fine-tune settings from the cab. From reel speed to cutting height, every adjustment is at their fingertips, ensuring optimal performance in changing conditions. Paired with a high-capacity combine, this header transforms efficiency, reducing fuel consumption, labor time, and wear on machinery. It's a perfect example of how precision engineering can translate into real-world productivity. Whether it's wheat, soybeans, or specialty crops, the John Deere C16F delivers consistency, reliability, and speed. For farmers pushing through long harvest windows, it's more than just equipment, it's a trusted partner in the field. When the sun rises over the field and the C16F rolls into action, you know the day's work will be done faster, cleaner, and with less waste. This is what modern agriculture looks like: power, precision, and performance in perfect balance. To the west of Arras, a massive fire has left a scar on the landscape. 12 hectares of land reduced to blackened earth. What began as a small blaze quickly grew out of control, fueled by dry winds and parched vegetation. Within minutes, thick plumes of smoke rose high into the sky, visible for kilometers. Firefighters moved fast, deploying engines, water tankers, and aerial support to contain the flames. The heat was intense, the smoke heavy, and visibility dropped to near zero, as crews battled to create fire breaks and prevent the blaze from spreading to nearby homes and farms. On the ground, residents watched anxiously as the fire edged closer to their properties. Some joined in, helping move equipment and livestock out of harm's way, while others assisted emergency crews in keeping access routes clear. After hours of relentless effort, the flames were finally brought under control. What remains now is a charred landscape, a stark reminder of how quickly nature can turn against us and how critical a swift, coordinated response can be. While the fire is out, the recovery will take time, the land will heal, but the memory of this day will linger for the people of Arras.